And I was like, oh my God, we were just literally there.
People who hang out on Rainey Street shocked to hear about the discovery Saturday afternoon of Jonathan Honey's body after the 33-year-old was last seen at a taco truck around 2 a.m. Friday. Austin police say they're still investigating how he died.
And I'm thinking maybe it's somebody who drank too much and fell.
Yeah.
But if it's somebody really doing harm, it's concerning.
In recent years, at least 5 men in their 20s or 30s have been found in the lake under similar circumstances. I reached out to John Honey's family. I was told they're unable to comment because of the ongoing investigation. But the family of Jason John, whose body was found in the lake in February, believes these incidents could be connected, even though the autopsy report states his death was an accidental drowning.
We don't agree with that. Jason was 30. Jonathan Honey was 32, 33. 2 o'clock in the morning. Rainey Street. So there are some similarities in the case.
It is very, very concerning.
Safehorn's president Joelle McNew says she's worried for UT students who go out on Rainey.
I know that there's been some comments on social media that it's just alcohol related. I believe it's definitely more than that.
Austin-based defense attorney Sam Bassett says Austin police are likely looking into these incidents collectively.
Well, I think the first thing you start with is the cause of death. Was it accidental? Does it appear to be something that was done intentionally? And then secondly, is there any commonality? If these are acts that appear to be intentional, is there any similar method or motive that could be at play here?
For the families of those who've died, they say they want answers and change from the city.
The city needs to do something. Ignoring is not an option anymore. It never was.
We don't know how many Jasons, how many Martinez, and how many Jonathans is going to be losing their life again. And this is not acceptable.